I'm Dr. Nandish Manangi. I'm a professor and a research director at Alliance University. I want to give you a demo of an AI product built by me and with a mission to empower candidates who can take up the challenges in the real AI world. So I want to give you a product demo. I have built an application which will help candidates to make their profile into a placement readiness program. So the name of that AI product is called as SkillBridge AI. Here is the website link for it, which will be shared with you. So it is hosted on Google Cloud Platform, and the product name is SkillBridge AI, an AI product by Dr. Nandish Manangi. It requires you to log in through your Gmail or any email ID. So let's begin with Gmail ID to log in. So once you log in, the entire purpose of this product is to turn your profile into a placement plan. And I have seen that many candidates are struggling to find the preparation relevant for the job role which they target. So if you look at current problem in the industry is when you look at preparing your resume and validating it against the job role, there are not applications tools which can help you. For example, let me take any ATS score reader for any of it. For example, here I have typed in ATS score, and here I'm opening up enhanced CV. So if I click on it, there is no validation tab. There is only one which will improve your resume. For example, here I'm taking a candidate's resume who is looking for kind of a product analyst role, and when I run through this publicly available enhanced CV profile, so it only does parsing your resume, analyzing your experience, extracting your skills, and it will give a score. And this score is among how good the resume is. 70 out of 100 is a good score. I don't mind. But when you want to make sure that this resume is the answer or a solution or the skill set matching aligned with the job role, that is where the problem lies. So this is where SkillBridge AI comes into picture, whereas it doesn't not only give you just how good the resume is in terms of grammar, punctuation, special characters, ATS friendliness, but also it will give you an answer for your job role. And with the AI product, where intelligence is inbuilt in it, it gives you that much power to modify, and also it gives recommendation to align your resume to the job role. So for example, here we are in the main page. You can use drag and drop, or even you can type it and paste what you want to do it about your resume as well as job role. For the easy purpose, what I am going to do is I will upload a job role. For example, here is the resume, Tejashri, and this got uploaded and confirmation is here. And you can upload anything, PDF, docs, text, anything. And here the target job role you want to prepare for yourself for the employment. So here I'm taking one example, Technotree Corporation as a product analyst. So once you have resume as well as job description, now here is the validation which my product is going to fill the market gap in terms of the validation. So this is the first important steps for any person to make sure that his resume is the answer to the job role available. Let's assume that most of the candidates first prepare the resume and then start looking for job which is relevant for them. It doesn't work like that in this 21st century, especially after AI invent in the market. So what you have to do is you have to first go through the yardstick, find out the job role which is available, which is good in profile, good in company, and also handsome compensation. Then target how to make sure that my competency and skill gaps are aligned to that job role. So that is what we are going to do it. I have uploaded Technotree Corporation product analyst job role and one resume. Then let's find the skill fit here. So there is a button called Analyze Skill Fit. I will click on this. So now this is where the function of my SkillBridge AI comes into picture. It will tell you that your resume has got only 14% alignment. And how does it do is it uses keyword match. It will use intelligence to match the entire job description, read it and understand what is the profile, summarize it, and read your entire resume and find it, and then give you this alignment. And if you ask me, the same resume which I uploaded in enhanced CV, it gives 70%. Very good resume and ATS friendly. But here is the gap. This is saying only 14%, that too only one skill, which is leadership is present in your resume, whereas the priority gaps to get this product analyst job role for Technotree, you need to have statistics, agile, sales, marketing, communication, and presentation skill sets or competencies in your resume. So this is the first step, which is why SkillBridge AI is useful, and it will give you align your resume to the job role. Now the next question is how to make sure that I bring all these terms, keywords, as well as the competency in the resume. So it will give you immediate 7-step process to become placement ready. Now it is in the hands of the user to get this ready in 1 day time, 7 day time, or even if it takes them to prepare it for 3 months, it is in their hands, but at their will. So first choose your target role. Here is the product analyst. Then tailor your resume is what we are doing. Then choose the priority gap. You understand that there are totally 6 priority gaps which are available. Try to work on it. Then close the second priority gap, which is like that. You have to do reiterate. So once you fill those gaps by rewording it, again you can reiterate with this website. Then create a proof of work. It is not about that you writing statistics terms in the resume, but you have to create a proof of work, and how to create it is what you will get to know. Then prepare a selection rounds. For example, once you ready with the resume with your own words, then the next round is aptitude, and then most of the time nowadays it is AI interview, and then followed by management round and HR round. Then apply and follow up. So this is a solution oriented application, which is SkillBridge AI. And now the next step is how to close the gaps. So it will give you a recommendation. Most important certification to close your gap is Google Analytics Individual Qualification, GAIQ, and this certificate is given by Google, and you can focus on getting this. Probably it may take 1 week to prepare for it and give the test, but yes, if you want to close your secondary gap, primary gap is these competencies which you have to build. If you think the secondary gap is this, where you can have authentication of these certifications, mostly these are available in platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Unacademy, all of this, but it is preferred that you go through it, and now you have understood that where is the gap for with respect to Technotree product analyst job role. Now once this is done, you can download this action closure PDF. So once you download this, you will get your placement action closure plan. So here is what evidenced, and here is the gap, and here is the secondary gap, and you can start doing it step by step. And also it will give you resume rewording recommendation. For example, how to start your header, and your resume should be tailored to the custom role here, for example product analyst. Like that you can do it for whatever the aspirational job role you are looking at, and start rewording your resume. Assume that you start, like here is the prompt enabled resume rewording template, where you can copy and paste it in the generative AI tools, and you can get precise rewording and precise wording what is required for your resume. So once you do this, you can always say, for example, generate a resume profile. So now, irrespective of what resume you have in place, you will get one recommended okay, it is getting generated. So now you got, so where the gap was, it has filled for yourself and given you the context and the description what you can build for. For example, here see Tejashree, yes, product analyst role and MBA specialized in business analytics, seeking, entire thing is created for you, and it is also giving you what are the core AI competencies which are required, technical skills, analytical skills, managerial skills, professional certifications, all of this. And I'm not telling this one-page resume is ready to be sent, but however, for your purpose, what you can do is you can fill this into a template which is given to you. So here is the action plan, here is the generated resume profile, and here is the template which you can use, which is given by SkillBridge AI to make it much more professional. So you can start rewording it. The reason why we have given it this way is once you prepare for yourself the resume, your technical rounds are taken care. So this is the most ATS friendly template given by SkillBridge AI. One resume per job role, you can recreate it with your rewording action plan which is given to you. So this gives you the first step, which is resume. Now coming to the next step, which is on AI interview. Okay, so if you have any doubt during this time, you can always book a consulting with me. Just click on this, it will it will take you to the WhatsApp and a message will be sent to me wherein it says that you need a consultation on the help. So just click on it. It will send a message to me on the WhatsApp that, hey, Dr. Nandish Manange, I would like to book a placement consulting meeting with me. So that will trigger a point wherein I will set up a WhatsApp meeting with you and take the discussion forward. So now coming back, so now you have sorted in terms of how your resume should be and what you should do. The next step is in terms of voice-based AI interview. So now your resume is ready. You can take a voice-based AI interview.
Hello Tejashree, thank you for coming in today. Please start by introducing yourself and tell us what specifically interests you in this product analyst role at Technotree, and how your background aligns with it.
Okay, you can click on start speaking. So once you start speaking, this will train you to prepare for the AI interview. So hello everyone. Here I'm speaking on behalf of Tejashree to give a demo on AI voice interview, and I feel the resume which is prepared with the help of SkillBridge AI gives me an advantage in showcasing my skills to the role of product analyst in the Technotree Corporation, and I'm sure I'm the best fit for this organization with the given experience and the competency what I bring to the table. So once you do this, you can submit, and like that, you can give 10 questions which are intelligence
Your resume
enabled.
mentions a strong.
You can stop it however you want to, and you can end your interview. And since I have told you this is intelligence inbuilt, so based on your resume, your priority gaps, and the product role, the questions will come, and it is customized to that user. And every time you answer one question, the question toughness or challenges will increase to prepare for the upcoming interview which you are actually going to face. Now, based on that, you can end the interview. Once you end the interview, it will give you grading based on that. So where you stand in terms of your AI voice interview, and you can give it, and you can do it multiple times. So here is I attempted one question, and this is the role relevance. This is the clarity on which I spoke. There was no evidence which I spoke, and also in terms of it was not structured. So you can retake or you can download the PDF for this. So everything is evidence based. So how much you score, what are your strength, what is your recommended improvement, all that comes. So this is one such product wherein it is self-sufficient to prepare you for the placement, and I'm very sure this will give you an advantage in terms of practice, and it is at your own pace. You can do it at free time, whenever you want, whenever you are ready, and when you think that your preparation is needed for the job role. So ideally in any universities, you will get the job role from the companies, and you will get, like, let's say, one day time to prepare for it. So this product comes in that place where you can prepare for it just before a day before the actual interview and be prepared for it. So this was on the voice-based AI interview. Now let's look at the proctored aptitude test. So this is the next step. Once your resume is done, mostly high-paying job roles always ask for proctored aptitude test. So as I said, this is proctored test. This is enabled with intelligence and computer vision. You can give the test, submit your answer, and if in case this will help you practice proctor test, which is computer vision enabled. And if in case you have seen some other screens, it is lock screened. And also in terms of challenges also, it will tell you 20 questions, 5 marks each, 100 questions each, 5 marks each, 100 questions each. And once you submit the test, it will also give you the entire grading out of it. Topic wise, quantitative aptitude, how much you scored, logic test, verbal ability, and there are proctor alerts also. In case you have seen here and there and you have tried to game the system or anything, the alert system will say, which will tell you that how good you can be while taking the proctor test. If any alert comes that, then those are the posture corrections which you need to do. And this comes with the download report as well. So every step there is a download report which is formatted and with proctor summary and assessment which comes with you. So this is the entire product, and this product is built by Dr. Nandish Manange. He comes with 2 decades of industry experience in artificial intelligence, business analytics, digital transformation, and he has founded this company with mission to empower candidates to take up AI-driven challenges in the professional world. And basically, if I have to sum up, the Skill Bridge AI gives you skill gap analysis, 7-step closure roadmap, resume rewording guidance, AI mock interview, and proctored aptitude test. And also it gives you recommendations on your resume preparations. So this is about the product. In last 1 week, if you look at the total number of users and the user dashboard, here it will give you how active and how useful this has been. And let me give it some time to refresh it, because it is always real time and it is fetching the data from the cloud. So in last 1 week, the active users are 92 and 417 sessions have been conducted and 460 uploads and 51 PDF downloads have been done. And here are some of the users details. So this is about the product, which is SkillBridge AI, and the entire purpose of this product is to make sure we prepare each one of you for the AI job roles which are available in the market, and make best use of this product to make sure that you end up in the aspirational role which you are aspiring for to take up in the near future, and also prepare as well. So I wish you all the best and happy learning and happy preparation for your placement. Thank you.